Got another quick tip here, might find useful. This arose from a recent training session where I teaching a client, and by virtue of that I'd installed my profile into his bluebeam installation. His existing installation had an existing profile that had some very useful tool sets that he wanted to transfer into the new profile I'd set up for him. So the solution I've come up with is this. This is the profile I installed for him. So what I came up with was, if we go up to review, we go into profiles, and we go into the profile that contains the tool set that you want to import into your newer profile. Go to tool chest, select the drop down, go down to manage tool sets, highlight the tool set that you require to transfer from profile to profile, click on modify, check the show in all profiles option and just click OK. Just click OK to come out of that. Now return to the profile that you want to import the tool set into, and it's appeared in this profile now because I've got it selected as display in all profiles. And if you want to switch it off when you're not using it, you can go into the drop down, select it, untick it, or go into manage tool sets, whatever. But I hope that is useful.